bought this unit from the auction for the engine. It has a Detroit engine, S16, with 78,000 miles. And here I am, trying to pick it up. Of course, it's completely dead. Trying to jumping. I have a friend that helps me. And it is in Virginia. I gotta pick it up and drive it all the way to Chicago. It's gonna be a journey. Let's see how the weigh station is gonna react. I'm gonna show you a little bit around. This thing looks like an airplane. Here are the batteries. We've got one more on the other side. This is the back cab. Gonna have a coil tarp on it. We'll save it. And hey, here's number 23, my lucky number.